Hey guys, welcome to this MailerLite email marketing automation course. So in this free course, I will going to teach you plenty of amazing thing regarding MailerLite. Okay, so I will going to guide you from scratch, from basic to advanced, how you can create one MailerLite account, what are the concepts of groups, okay, and then we will going to teach you how you can create professional looking landing page. With the help of that landing page, you can collect emails for absolutely free. So just by doing drag and drop, you can create one landing page for free without any coding. And after you will going to create your landing page, then we will going to teach you how you can do automation with a live practical example. So if you guys are interested to learn how you can do email marketing automation using MailerLite, so enroll inside this course and watch the complete course from starting to end. This will really going to help you a lot. Hey guys, so let's first create the MailerLite account. Okay, so you can just type this link. I will also attach the link in the resources. Okay, so you can just simply type my-link.in/MailerLite. Okay, so just type this on the browser and you can also see in the screen as well. Okay, so everything in small, my-link.in/MailerLite. So you will going to get extra email list. Okay, so I have also attached the link in the resources. Okay, so you can just check it out and just click on the enter button and then you will go to the MailerLite's website. Okay, so here you can see this is their website. Now we just have to simply create one account. Okay, so now if you will just go to pricing here, so you can check we have two types, that is marketing and transactional, but we of course don't need to go to this transactional one. We only want for the marketing purpose, right? So that we can just do the email audience, that means we can collect the email list and we can do all the marketing automation and all. Okay, and here you can see they provide a free plan as well, so it will be always free for up to 1000 subscribers, that means 1000 email list, right? So here this is the three plans they have. Okay, and the second plan is $9 per month and third is $19 per month. So it's totally up to you if you want to go ahead with these ones, so you can. Okay, you will going to get more amazing features over here. Okay, so you can just create any one of them. Okay, and you can even sign up for the 30 days free trial as well, but let's go with the free one, and if you want to upgrade it you can do that. Okay, even you can just go ahead and you can even try 30-day free trial as well. Okay, so it's totally up to you, my friends. Okay, so now what we can do is that we can go with this particular plan, that is advanced one. Reason is very much simple, because I'm here just to teach you guys about how to run Lite. Okay, so I'm just going ahead with this one, and even I suggest you guys to go with this one. Okay, so you you just see the lectures and you practice with me. Okay, but if you go ahead with the free plan, so basically they will not going to give you plenty of stuff. Okay, for that purpose only you can just go ahead with the $19 per month plan. You can just start a free trial of 30 days. Okay, and then of course you can even downgrade to the growing business or even to the free version, but I will suggest you guys to just go and start with the 30 days free trial for the advanced plan. Okay, so whatever I will going to teach you inside this course, you can just learn each and everything and you can do practice. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on the start 30 days trial. Now you just need to put your company or organization name, email, password. If you don't have any company, you can just put any name. Okay, so in our case we have here being commerce here. Name, I can put it as a Manisha Darling. Now you just need to set the email. Okay, so just go ahead In my case, this is my email. I will right click, I will just go ahead, I will right click and paste my email. That's it. And then we have to set the password, but make sure you have to fulfill all these password criteria. So let me just fulfill ma. So I have just set the password. So similarly you have to set the password as well. Okay, and after you do this, just click on the create my account button. Okay, now let's wait for few seconds. It will going to redirect you here. Okay, now that's great, we have just done the sign up. That's great. Okay, now we just need to verify the email. So whatever email you have put in that email box, you will going to see the verification email. So that's the email we have to put here. So you can see from MailerLite we have got this email to verify the email address. Okay, so just click on this verify email address. Okay, and now you just need to complete your profile. Okay, so just click on this complete. So email marketing, have you used other email marketing service before? You can just set it to no. Okay, let's go to the next step, because it will make the interface more user friendly to us. And the last name, let me just put here last name, that will be darling. Okay, and you can put the website URL. Okay, uh, so here you can just basically, if you don't have any website, okay, so you can just put any website. Okay, but in our case I can just go ahead with my website, that is kukucourses.com website. Okay, okay, so just put that here, and after you do that, just click on this next step button. Okay, and now it is asking for the approval. Okay, so now in order to make sure that your business goes with the terms and service, we ask to verify your website ownership, or you can conduct your business. Okay, so you can, it's totally up to you. Okay, whatever you want to, you can just put your business email as well. If you don't have, you can just describe your business. Okay, whatever business you want to run with. Okay, so just type that I run business for online coaching. Okay, and help students to learn new skills and grow in their career. Okay, so according to your business, you can just write whatever you wanted to. Okay, so after you do everything, just click on this request approval button. Okay, and now they will going to see the details, and then they will going to let you know, okay, about the decision. And meanwhile, what you can do is that you can just set your address as well. Okay, so in my case I can just put some random address, but you have to put your your address. Okay, it will be for India in my case. That's great. City, time zone, I will set my country's time zone. That will be most probably Kolkata, Asia, Kolkata. Okay, which industry you are in, so I can just say here education. Okay, and just click on this next tab. Now your interest, where you have interest, so we have in the campaigns, we have to create for forms. Okay, we have to put for website and automation. Okay, and then whatever you want to put, you can then just click on this next tab button. Do you have any subscribers? So you can just say no. Okay, I'm just teaching and pretending that I am completely new, so you guys who are watching this course can understand everything from scratch. Okay, uh, so I can here write or I can say online courses, okay, like that. And then click on this next step button. You can just write whatever you want to, okay. uh, do you sell other product and service online? So if you wanted to write whatever, you can, okay, or you can even set to no. In my case, I can just choose WordPress, okay. So it's totally up to you, whatever you wanted to, you can just give that answer, then click on the next tab button. And then from here, just make sure you tick mark it, okay, so you can just read all terms and condition. And if you want the weekly updates from the MailerLite, you can of course do that if you wanted to. And then here you will see this button of confirm, okay, so click on the confirm button, okay. So now here you can see they are saying that almost there your account is being reviewed and sending will be enabled shortly. In the meantime, you can explore MailerLite premium features, okay. So now you just simply have to wait for some time until and unless MailerLite will going to give you approval, okay. And basically in this way we have just created a MailerLite account very easily, okay. So now let's first talk about groups. Now what is group or groups in a MailerLite? Okay, so basically groups is nothing but a bucket. Okay, so inside this bucket you can just put all the emails you will going to collect. Okay, so in MailerLite you will going to see we have under subscribers. You will going to see here under subscribers, okay. So just come here on MailerLite, and then here you will going to see we have the option of groups, okay. So just click on these groups. Now here you will going to find plenty of groups. So groups are nothing but a bucket. So inside each groups you can put all the emails, okay. So the purpose of group is to categorize all the emails in the different niche. For example, you can see we have one group for web development. So here we will going to put all the emails that are related to web development WordPress. Similarly, we have different group that is weight loss newsletter. So inside this group we will going to put all the people who are related to weight loss. So similarly, groups are very much important, okay. So please understand, groups are nothing but inside this group or you can say bucket, inside this bucket which is called in MailerLite as a groups. So here we will going to put all the emails that we will going to collect, okay, in a very simple language. So let's create one group very easily on a MailerLite, okay. So just go to your dashboard, okay. So under your dashboard you will basically going to see the option, okay, here to create the subscribers, okay. So just click on this subscribers button, and now go to these groups. Very simple, very easy, right? And from here at top you will going to see we have this button called as create group, okay. So just click on that button, and from here you can just name the group, okay. For example, I can just say for email marketing, okay. So I want to collect group of email list that will be related to email marketing, okay. So I will just simply going to name it as an email marketing, and then I will going to click on this button of a create, okay. Just click on that create button, and now you will going to see that we have created one email marketing group only few hours, okay, few seconds ago. And you can also see the date at which particular time this group was created, okay. And also you can see the number of subscribers on this group, okay. And you can see what is the open rate, what is the click rate. That means when we will going to send emails on this email address, that means whatever email address are inside this bucket, or I can say group of email marketing which we have created now. So when we will going to send emails to these people, so how many of them are opening our emails, and if inside email we have provided some links or something like that, so how many people are there who are clicking on that. So that is what we can know about or inside this group analytics. Okay, like here you can see we have one more dummy group, that is weight loss newsletter. Okay, so here we have only one person who is inside this group. Okay, so if I will click on this view group, so inside this group you can see we have only one person, and the email of this person is this one, right? So we have sent him 2 emails, and out of that he has opened one email, and he has also clicked on one email, and he has subscribed on this particular time, and the location is showing India. That means this person is from India, right? So that's the group. Okay, and hope you guys have understood the concept behind that. So if you want to go very in depth and read more analytics about this particular group, you can do it from here, and from this more path you can even split the group into 2 parts. Let me show you. If I will click on this split, and if I will put 1, and if I will going to click on this save button, now you can see it has created the copy of this same email, and now you can just simply name it. For example, you can just name it for these are the email marketing who has who are basically customers. Okay, so similarly you can just define that. Okay, so now this group we have created for people who have purchased our email marketing product. Okay, so they are our current customers, and these are the people who are general public. Okay, who are interested to learn about email marketing. Okay, so that's how you can just create groups for different purpose very easily inside your MailerLite account. Okay, so now guys we will going to talk about landing pages. Okay, so landing pages are the pages where we collect the data of our potential customers, okay, or our leads. So it's very important. So see, landing page looks like this. Of course we will going to teach you practically in the MailerLite as well how it works and everything, and you can also create beautiful stunning looking landing pages for absolutely free. Okay, so you basically don't have to worry about anything. So basically in short, landing page looks like this one. Okay, and inside your landing page you put these forms that that includes your name, email, and one submit button. Okay, so now you can easily collect any lead information using this landing page. This landing page will going to give you one special URL which you can share anywhere, and people can just give you their information, and whenever they will put their information, when they will write their name, email, and when they will click on this submit button, so this data will be this data will be stored or collected inside these groups. So as we have discussed, groups are nothing but a bucket where all the data of your leads are stored, especially like email, their phone number, their name, everything. Okay, so it's very easy to understand, and you can easily create landing pages in your free MailerLite account for absolutely free without any cost. And whenever someone will going to put their name, email, and they will click on this submit button, all the data will be sent to the groups automatically. Okay, so now we will going to teach you how you can practically going to create your landing pages in your MailerLite account. So let's see practically how you can create one landing page on your MailerLite account, okay, for absolutely free. Okay, so here it's your MailerLite dashboard. So just first go to dashboard, Then from here you guys will be able to see this option of a sites. Okay, so just click on this sites button, okay, or option. And after you will do that, so here you can see we have created one landing page already. You can also create one website, but I will not going to suggest you guys to create one website from here. Landing page is absolutely fine. Okay, so that's so easy. Okay, so you can also create your landing page. So to create one new landing page, just select this landing page option first of all, like this. And after you will going to do that, you will see at very top the option to create site. Okay, so just click on this create site button. Now it will going to ask you whether you want to create landing page or a website. So we will going to create the landing page. Okay, now I want to create this landing page for my email marketing course. Great. Okay, now I will click on the save and continue button. Okay, now my friends, it will going to ask you where you want to put the data. So as we have told you that we are now creating the landing page. Now it is asking in which groups you want to connect this landing page. So whenever someone will going to put their name, email and data, all the data will be collected inside that particular group. Okay, so in the previous time we have in the groups topic we have just said you how to create groups. Okay, so we have created 2 groups. Now I will choose this particular one, that is email marketing one. Okay, simple. So I will going to select the email marketing. That means I have selected my email marketing as a group. Now whenever someone will going to put their information in the landing page, so all the data will be stored in my this email marketing groups, right? So that's it. And after you will do that, here you will see the continue button. Just click on that continue button. Now you can see you will going to get the option to choose or create from scratch. Okay, or you can choose the plenty of templates from here. Okay, so you can see the MailerLite has given us plenty of templates. If you're a blogger, you can just go with that. Okay, and we have just plenty of options over here, and you can choose any one of them and you can just customize it very easily. Okay, so you can see musician, and you can also go to this next option, and when you will go to the next option you will see more and more. Also you can just categorize it on the basis of your categories as well. So for example, if your product is related to marketing, you can just click on this marketing landing page, and here you will going to see it will going to give you all the relevant landing page templates that are related to marketing. Okay, and one recommendation which I wanted to give you, in case if you want to preview them before you choose any template, of course you can create from scratch, but now we will going to use one template. Okay, so before you just choose any one of them, I will highly going to suggest you guys to preview it. For example, if I will click on this preview button to see this template, now you can see this is how this template will going to look like in the landing page. Okay, okay, so similarly you can just preview all the templates, and whatever template you feel is good for you, you can go ahead with that. For example, I can also click on this preview button. Now I can see this is the landing page. Okay, so I am liking this one. This is very simple with the countdown timer as well. So let me just select this one. Okay, so I will just cross it, and from here I will going to see, or you will going to see the option to choose. Now you can just simply click on this choose button. Now it will going to take you to the MailerLite drag and drop editor, where you can simply drag and drop, and you can create landing page very easily for absolutely free. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds. So you can see now MailerLite has opened the complete dashboard, right? So that's the dashboard, or you can see landing page editor of the MailerLite. Okay, so if you want to edit anything, so wherever you want to edit anything, so you will see this edit button over here. Okay, if you want to edit this logo, right now you can see this launch logo is here. If you want to customize it, you can just edit the image and you can change it. Okay, and you will also going to see we have this get in touch button as well. Okay, so here you can see get in touch button, so you can even customize it. For example, I can say join now, like that. Okay, for free, like this. Simple, easy. If you want to put some links over here, you can put the links like this. Okay, so easy, so simple, right? Now here you can also see this customize button as well. If you will click on this pencil button over here, so now you can also customize the time. Okay, you can change the expiry date of this countdown timer. You can change the days, hours, minutes from here. Okay, so plenty of the options we have over here, and inside the settings you can even find more. Okay, so that's great. If I will decrease the top spacing, so the top spacing will going to decrease, which I do not want that. Okay, so you can even change the background color from here. Okay, so that's very easy to use. You can just go ahead and you can just see all of them over here. But whatever changes you do, make sure you click on this save button from the bottom. Okay, now for example, I want to customize this thing, so I will click on this edit button, and here here I can see the options. Okay, that are very much related to this stuff. Okay, so I can just go to white. Okay, and if you want to change, let's say this heading, okay, heading 3, so you can just click on this heading 3, and from here you can just change it to, let's say, orange. So you can see it has turned to orange, but let me just go with the purple only. Great. Okay, so you can just customize each and everything, okay, from here. Okay, very simple, very easy, right? And if you want to change the text, you can just do it from here. This is the text, so here you can change the font size of it, you can change the color of it, and you can just do pretty more stuff from here. Okay, so very simple, very easy to do. Okay, so you can just customize anything you want to. Okay, and there's one more thing you can do, is that you can just move it to up, down, wherever you want to. Okay, but let's keep it here only. Okay, that's great. And after you just do some changes, just click on this save changes button. Okay, and you can again click on this edit if you want to edit some more thing. For example, you want to edit this one, you can just do it from here as well, right? So just click on this save button, all good to go, right? And here we have this blog section. Now in case if you want to add your custom content, you can just drag it here. For example, I want to add one text over here, and I can just customize it, and I can say change here whatever you want to, like that. You can easily do that. Now you can even duplicate it, but I will going to delete this. Okay, so here let me just change it. Okay, like, do you want to be expert in email marketing, like this. Okay, or I can just change it here, become pro in 4 weeks. Okay, and here I can write get our free step by steps tips and trick to be pro in email marketing. Okay, also get worth dollar 300 PDF guide for free by joining to our email newsletter. Okay, so you can just totally customize it. And if you ever want to collect the emails from any of your potential customers, so try to give them something for free. Right here we have said that we will going to give you $300 PDF for absolutely free. Okay, then only they will going to put efforts to they will just going to put efforts to give you their data. Okay, so after you will customize everything, you can just change it, and if you do not want it, you can of course remove them as well. But I'm good here. I will simply going to preview it, and let's wait how everything is looking here. Okay, so you can see this is how my landing page will going to look like. Okay, you can also see it on mobile. This is how it will going to look, very much professional looking. You can of course customize it, and after you are good to go, you can just simply click on save as draft, or you can just click on save and publish when you are sure 100% that your landing page is created. Okay, that's it. So here you can see we have got this landing page URL over here. Okay, you can of course put or connect your custom domain from here. Okay, and you can also change the URL here. Okay, so for example, I want for my email marketing course. Okay, and I can put any figures over here. Okay, and you can even put some favicon as well. So basically favicon is the icon that is that is attached to the website logo at very top of your browser. So you can just select one, and if you don't have any, so you can just upload it. For example, I will going to upload some image, okay, which I can use it. Okay, so let me just use any one of them. Let's select this one. Okay, then from this landing page, if you know about SEO, so you can just put the page title, keywords, and page description, and you can click on this button, allow search engine to index this landing page. So this particular landing page which you have created can be indexed on the Google, Bing, and Yahoo and other websites, so you can get even free traffic. And you can also connect your analytics, Google Analytics, Facebooks, and all this stuff. Okay, so that's how this SEO stuff works. And after you do this, just click on this save and continue button from the bottom, and boom, you can see that this is the URL of your landing page. Now you can just simply copy it, and if you will going to open this in the private window, okay, so this is how it will going to look. Okay, now you can see, so you can just use it for your marketing, or for any particular purpose you want to do that, you can easily do it. Okay, so this is just amazing stuff which you guys can do over here. Okay, and in this way you can create your landing page. So we have created our landing page. So this is our landing page, right? And inside our landing page we have email address here. Okay, like here you have done. So we have this data, and when they will going to click on subscribe now, whatever it is, okay, when they will going to fill the data, they will be their data will be collected inside the groups which we have set it. Okay, so that's how it works. And now if you will just go to sites, so now you will be able to see that we have the two landing page created over here. And if you want to get the URL of your landing page, you can just click on this overview button, and from here you can get the URL of your landing page which you can share anywhere. Okay, so that's how you can create one landing page for absolutely free, my friends. Okay, So we have created the landing page, but in this landing page, if you will going to notice one thing, that we have promised our audience that if they will going to join our this email newsletter, so we will going to give them one PDF for absolutely free. Okay, now just imagine one thing, that if suppose 500 people come on your landing page, and if they will going to put their email, and then imagine if 300 people will going to come here on your landing page, and they will fill their data and they will subscribe. Now you manually have to send 300 PDF copies to those people, so it will be too complicated, right? So that's the reason, with the help of MailerLite, you can set amazing automations. Now what do I mean to say by that? See, we have created one landing page. When any user will going to put their name, email, or whatever, even email, and when they will click on this button, so imagine if we will going to send that person immediately one email automatically. Okay, and in that email we will going to give them one link, and in that link, when they will click on that link, we will going to give them this PDF for absolutely free. So that is just an amazing automation, right? But without automation, suppose 500 people will come and they will join, so you manually have to give them access to your PDF. That will be very much complicated, and you will not going to have plenty of time to do that. So that's why email automation helps you a lot. So with the help of MailerLite, we can just set free email automation. So email automation means sending right emails to right audience automatically without doing anything manually, right? So that's the power of automation. Now in this live example, I will going to teach you with the help of MailerLite, if you have this type of landing page, and when someone will going to put their information, so how you can send one email immediately after they will going to put the information. Okay, and that user will automatically get one email, and in that email there will be one link to download this PDF. So that's the amazing automation which we can easily set for absolutely free in the MailerLite account. Okay, so now guys, before we just go ahead and create the automation, okay, for this, just two things which I just wanted to let you know. First of all, you will going to have one PDF, okay, which you will going to give to your audience, right? So make sure you can do one thing, basically, is that you can just upload your PDF on your Google Drive, just for an example, or you can just upload it anywhere you want to. Okay, so just upload that PDF. Okay, and after you will going to do that, you might remember that we have connected this landing page to one group. Okay, so we have created this landing page. If you will just go to the sites, and now if you will just go to the overview, or you can just go to, let's first go to overview. Okay, so now here, my friends, you guys might remember that we have created one email marketing groups. That means if I will go to subscribers, let me just open this. Okay, and under the groups, under this group, we have created this email marketing one. Okay, so what we have said in the previous lesson is that whenever any person will going to put the information, they will go to one bucket. Okay, so we have this landing page, so whenever someone will going to sign up here, so they will go to this particular group, that is email marketing group, right? So all the data will be stored here. So with the help of this bucket, we will going to set the automation. Okay, so let's see how you can do that. Okay, so to create one automation, you just need to click on this automation button. Okay, or you can just click on this automation button, click on this automation button, and then you will come here. Okay, now what you need to do is that you just need to click on this new automation. So just click on this new automation. Okay, now you can create with some templates as well. Now we have to create it from scratch. Okay, so you will basically going to understand it in a better way. So just click on this create button. You can name it as email marketing, okay, course. I want this automation to for email marketing course. Now click on start building. Now it will going to open their email marketing their automation editor. Okay, now first of all you have to set up the workflow trigger. Now if you will click here, so you will going to see this type of option. What will be the trigger? If you will select here, so here we are saying when subscriber joins the group, when subscriber completes the form, and we have plenty more. Now I will going to select that when subscriber joins the group. Now see, whenever someone will going to put the information, they will go to this bucket or they will join this bucket or group, right? So that's what I have put here. When subscriber will going to join the group, and the group was this email marketing. So when you will tap here, it will going to show you all the groups. So we want that whenever someone will going to join this particular group, okay, and after you will do this, click on this save button. Okay, now the automation is saying when subscriber will going to join this email marketing group, because you all know that we have created this landing page and we have connected this landing page, this particular landing page with this group, that is email marketing group, which we have created here. Okay, so that's what we have set to workflow, that when someone will going to join this group, and any person will only going to join the group when they will going to subscribe here. Okay, so after subscribe, for example, the email address is xyz@gmail.com, and when they will click on the subscribe, so that email address will be collected inside this particular group. So that xyz@gmail.com person will going to join this group. See, right? So that's what we have said, when subscriber will going to join this particular group. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to send them one email. Okay, we have to send them one email. Okay, so let's click on this plus button. Okay, and then you will see this option of a email. We will going to send them one email. So just click on this email option. Now here you have to customize it. For example, I can say that get your PDF guide, or I can say download your PDF guide, because that is what we have said here. Okay, or you can put the subject line same as well. Okay, you can even change it to, let's say, email 1, and then you can just put download your PDF guide like this. Okay, simple, easy. Now who is it from? Now whatever your business name is, you can just put that here. Okay, and the center email, you can put your business email, but I will going to put this as an email. And then you have to design this email. So here I will going to click on this design email button, and then it will going to give me the option to customize the editor. So I will going to click on this continue button. Okay, and I will simply going to customize this email. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds, and at the end of this particular path, you will basically going to understand what we are doing. Okay, so just see what I am doing. So now here I can just remove all of this which I do not want. Okay, and here I can just customize and say download your guide. Okay, and we have said worth. Okay, download Word 300 PDF guide. Okay, so I can say something like this: download Word 300 PDF guide, and here I can say click on below button to download the PDF guide, like this. Okay, great. And if you want this image, you can. Okay, and then here I do not want all these things, so I will going to remove this as well, remove this as well, remove it, remove it, remove it. If you want to have it, you can. Okay, okay. And here you will going to see we have this button. So here I can customize the button, and I can say download PDF guide. Now what you need to do is that you need to upload your PDF guide, whatever your PDF guide will be, upload it on Google Drive, and when you will upload it, right click here, click on get link, and in your case it might be like this, restricted. Okay, but you have to make sure that you select here and select to anyone with this link, copy this link and click on this done button, and just go to your MailerLite here and remove this link, right click here and paste the Google Drive link. So now see the concept. See, we are saying to automation that when someone will going to join this particular group, okay, of course they will put the information, then only they will join this group, right? Okay, or okay, so we are saying to automation that when someone will going to join this group, send them this email with this PDF link. There will be one link which we have set here, the link is this one, and when they will going to click on this link, they will be able to download this PDF from our Google Drive. Okay, simple, that's it. And after you will do this, click on this save button. Okay, and after you do this, just click on this done editing button, so it will automatically take you. Okay, okay, there is some unsubscribe link as well. Let's put that as well. Okay, let me just go here. Oops. Okay, let me just click on this save button. Okay, and let me just put some of the blocks of, let's say, footer. Okay, and I can just choose this footer as well, this footer, because unsubscribe link is kind of important. Then click on this done editing button. So now you can see the automation is set. Okay, so now what happen is that whenever someone will going to come to this landing page, they will fill the form, automatically one email will be sent to this person who that means whatever email address you will going to put here, in that email we will be able to send this email automatically. Okay, and after you will do this, just click on this save button. Done, right? So that's what this automation is saying. When subscriber will going to join this group, email marketing group, so send them this email. Okay, and after you will do this, make sure that you turn it on from here. Okay, so your automation is on. Now you can just click on this button, save and close. That's it. Wow, your automation is set now. Now what we can do is that we can test this automation whether it's working or not. Okay, so what we can do is that we can just open one temporary email. So to test it, we have this temporary email. Okay, so it will going to give us some temporary email here, and we can also see it in inbox. Okay, so our automation is working or not, but make sure that from here on this automation is switch on. You can just turn it off, you can turn it on. Okay, from here. Okay, now here you can see that this automation has not sent anything here. Okay, so here let's test it. You can see over here we have got this email over here. Okay, so I will simply going to copy this email like this. Okay, now I have this email. Now let me just refresh it before I submit the data. Okay, So I have this email, I will right click, I will paste it over here. Okay, this is a temporary email. I will click on the subscribe now. Thank you. Okay, now if you will just go here, okay, and if you will just wait here, so now automation will going to send us one email. Okay, so I just need to confirm it whether it's my email or not. Okay, so first of all user has to confirm. Okay, okay, and let's go to back, and there will be one more email will be sent by automation to download the PDF guide. If I will go to back, now let's wait for few seconds. So now you can see one automation, this MailerLite has sent us this email. Okay, if you will click here, now you can see that download your PDF guide, and this was the email content which we have just now set. And when someone will going to click on this download PDF guide, they will be able to download this PDF from our Google Drive, right? So that's how this automation works, and hope you guys have understood how things work. Okay, so we have practically guide you that how you can set one automation in MailerLite very easily. So whenever someone will going to join the group, MailerLite will automatically going to send them one email, okay, with one link. Like here, this is one link. Okay, when they will click on this link, they will be able to download this PDF guide which we have provided them. So it's super simple, super easy to create automation very easily inside your MailerLite account. Now we have taught you how to do automation. Now let's refresh it and see the data. Right now you can see the sent is 0, opened is 0, clicked is 0. Now let me just refresh the dashboard so we can check the analytics. Now you can see that it's showing some data. That means you all know that we have used this email, that temporary email, okay, which was this one, right? So using this email, we have just put that on our landing page, and after we have put that on landing page, it has sent us data. Okay, it has sent us one email which we have opened it. You all know that we have got this email which we have opened it. Okay, and we have also clicked on that email. That means we have link here and we have clicked on this link. So that's the data it is showing over here. Okay, and if you want to check in more in depth, okay, so you can just simply go to overview and you can check the more analytics about this person. Okay, so make sure that you have more and more open click and click to open rate, and have less to less, or make target that you have very less unsubscribed, hard bounce, spam complaints, and soft bounce. Okay, so make it as soon as or I can say make it lower as soon as much as you can. Okay, and you can see that this person is open from Chrome browser through desktop, so all that data will be shown here. You can just read that data. Okay, so in this way you can set the analytics. Okay, or you can just see the analytics or data of how the subscribers are behaving with your emails. Okay, so now it's not about running automation, my friends. So I have just taught you plenty of things. Now the main purpose of email marketing is to make money. Okay, your end goal is to make money. Now whenever you collect your emails, okay, because in the previous steps we have taught you how to collect emails. Okay, so you can only collect emails when you are going to give something for free to the audience. So in our landing page we have provided our PDF guide for free, then only person will going to join. So after this person will going to join, okay, we will have to sell our product and service to this person who has joined, because we are not a NPO, non-profit organization. We are not that. We are here to make money, right? So in that case, here if you will see, we have to sell something to at least make money. Okay, because that is also important. So we have already given that customer our free PDF guide to download. Now you can set more automation, and you can put one delay of 1 day, 2 day, and you can send that person one email by promoting your email marketing course. Okay, so you have suppose one email marketing course and you want to promote that person. Okay, so how you can do that? It's very easy. If you will just go to automation again. Okay, now here in the automation, you guys can just go ahead to the edit bar. Okay, just click on this edit button. It will again going to open the workflow, right? So now, my friends, you can just do plenty of more things over here. Okay, so we have this automation set. Now let me just pause it. Okay, so when you will off it, then only this will going to show you this plus button. Now click on this plus button, and now you will see this option of a delay. So click on this delay button. Now you have to set delay. Now when you want to send another email, so I want to send it after 1 day. You can also define on the basis of minute, hours, weeks, month. Okay, put 1 day delay, click on this save button. Okay, now one day delay has been set. Now click on this plus button, select email. Okay, now we have to say be, or email to. Here we will going to promote our course, promote our email marketing course. So don't worry, this name will not be shown to your subscribers. It is only for your understanding. Okay, and then you can even put some subject as well. Okay, you can say like, hey, be pro in email marketing, like this. Okay, hey, be pro in email marketing. This will be the subject line. But do you know what? You can even put some personalization. For example, here you will see the option of insert personalization. So in your subject line, you can put some personalization. For example, instead of hey, you can put your cursor here and you can set name. Okay, and you can put comma. Now whatever will be the name of that person, it will going to display here the name. Okay, hey, suppose the person name is John, so it will say John comma be pro in email marketing, like that. Okay, so you can even put that, but I will just go ahead with the hey be pro in email marketing, and then you can then just design the email. Same procedure. Now this time you will going to do each and everything, but in the place of button you will going to now put the payment or landing page of your email marketing course. So you guys can do that as well. Okay, so let me just show you guys. So we have this got the email marketing here. You can of course customize it, but now in the place of this button, okay, you can put here the maybe your email marketing course landing page or your payment link. Okay, whatever you want to, and save it, and you can of course totally customize it, but I will not going to show you. I have already shown you. Okay, then click on this done editing. Now my friends, we are done. Okay, now click on this save button from the bottom. Now my friends, listen, see, now this has become our complete automation. First, a person will going to put their email address, they will going to join the group, and then we will immediately going to give them free value in the form of PDF. Sorry. And after they will going to get our PDF after 1 day. After 1 day, we will put the delay of 1 day, and then we will going to send him one email promoting our email marketing course. Right? You can switch it on, and you can just go back, save and close it. And in this way, my friends, you can just create unlimited automation for absolutely free in your MailerLite account. Okay, that's it. Now you might have seen that there are some more features of split testing in your editing one. If I will show you again, just click on edit, close it. In this plus button if you will see the condition, action, A/B testing. So all these are in the premium version of MailerLite. So that's the reason I will not going to show you this in this free course. Okay, but everything which was very much important for you as a beginner to understand about the MailerLite automation, I have taught you everything, and that's the basic. And even people make tons of money using this same method which I have taught you. Okay, so whatever I have taught you, use that, create groups. Okay, set your emails, set your landing page, create attractive landing page, use your creativity, and then just do the automation. Okay, and sell your product and service and make money with this MailerLite automation for absolutely free. Okay, so this was the thing which I wanted to tell you for this course. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Okay, so I hope you guys have learned very good things about MailerLite. Okay, so in this free mini course I have just taught you about groups, and how you can create one amazing landing page, and how you can create one simple automation. Okay, so this is what generally a startup business requires to build their list, okay, on the MailerLite. Okay, but of course, in case if you are interested to learn more about MailerLite, like how you can create your campaigns, okay, like you can create plenty of the campaigns, okay, okay, inside your MailerLite account. You can go to subscribers, and if you want to separate your audience email list on the basis of segment. Okay, so it's very much important. So you can just categorize people who have not clicked, and if they are from India, so just put them in this particular segment. So if you want to define that segment and know how that works, you can of course learn that. I will going to teach you. Okay, and then if you also want to learn about fields, stats, cleanup activities, so cleanup activity is also very important to clean your mail list. But there are some secret tips which requires to do, okay, before we clean up the inactivity. Okay, and then if you want to know about how you can create the forms, and how you can embed this particular form to your, let's say, website. Okay, and if you want to know how you can create different pop-ups, if you want to know how to create your own website landing page, and if you want to know how to create complex automation, okay, that will going to help you to give, or to it will basically help you to gain a very in-depth knowledge about automation, delays, and each and every stuff, like conditions, what are the different conditions available in the automation in the MailerLite. Okay, and also if you want to integrate MailerLite with the different platforms, especially API with your website, especially WordPress website or Shopify website, you can even easily do that using MailerLite. Okay, so what we have done is that if you will just go here and search for Cuckoo courses, okay, and you can just go to this website cuckoocourses.com. okay, cuckoocourses.com, and when you will go to courses, under here you will going to see we have this particular course, MailerLite email marketing automation pro course. Okay, so it's of complete 4 hours 50 minutes course. Okay, so if you will not find it, you can just search MailerLite over here. Okay, and if you want to get the complete direct link, so I provided the link in this video description, or at very end you will see one bonus lesson. So there you will going to see the link for this course. Okay, so you can just directly purchase this course. So basically it's a pro course. So here we will going to teach you very in-depth knowledge about how MailerLite works. Like you can see how you can basically it will going to start with basics, like why and what email marketing is. Then we will going to teach you the understanding of MailerLite account completely. Okay, so it's complete course. And if you want to learn about list building and how you can capture email, copy paste the secret formula we have using the chat GPT, okay, for your email marketing using MailerLite. Okay, so this will going to help you to create lead magnet, okay, that will going to help you to attract thousands of lead. Okay, and if you want to know more about segments and subscribers, and if you want to create the very high converting landing page and forms, and if you want to get the advanced MailerLite automations and how you can see the statistics of campaign, how you can create A/B testing campaigns. So it is very much necessary for us to test different variations in our email campaign, and we can check which is performing best, and the campaign which will going to perform best, we can use that. You can also get the idea about what is the best time and email, best time and day to send your email. So we have also included that, okay, with the proper resources, how you can create mobile friendly emails and personalizing emails. So if you want to get this course, so you can just come and you can even get our membership to access this particular course. Okay, we have just uploaded it today morning only. Okay, and also if you want this course, so we have provided you the link in this video description. Okay, just check there, or at very last bonus lesson we have provided you the link for this particular course, so you can also check it from there as well. Okay, so make sure you guys check it. It will going to help you a lot to learn more about MailerLite. It's a complete 6 hours course basically. Okay, sorry, 5 hours course basically. Okay, and we update it almost every time when we find some new important updates to give to our students. Okay, and you will also going to get the certificate as well. Okay, and if you will take the membership, so you can also access our another 450 plus online courses, 750 plus WordPress theme. So all these items you can access it. Okay, and we are providing 50% discount, so you can just copy this discount, just click on buy lifetime plan, and then you can just go to the register plan under your lifetime. You can set all the details. If you are purchasing from our website, under the discount code, just paste the discount code, apply 50% discount on the lifetime. It will only going to work in the lifetime plan, and you can get the lifetime plan just for $59. Okay, and one more thing which I wanted to, sometimes our payment gateway doesn't accept if you're from India, Pakistan or Bangladesh, but if you're from some other country, you can easily pay from the website as well. If you're from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, so you can contact our support team. They will going to help you to give a payment link, okay, manually. So you can just pay from there, and we will going to activate your membership. And you can see we have plenty of courses in our website. You can just access all these courses. Okay, like you can see, chat GPT course has got 157 students, Shopify has got 81 students. So we have plenty of students here. Okay, and we have plenty of courses. You can just go more and more. You can also select on the basis of category as well, and you will find plenty of amazing courses in our website. Okay, so that's how I just wanted to tell you, and you will going to get all these e-commerce assets for free, premium softwares like Filmora, Adobe Premiere, and there are plenty more graphic templates and plenty more amazing things. So just check out our website if you guys are interested, or you can just go to the bonus lesson at very last, and you can access all the material, or you can just click on the video description to access this course and this website. Okay, so that's what I just wanted to tell you. And if you are interested, so just go ahead and purchase the MailerLite Pro course. This will really going to give you more in-depth knowledge about MailerLite with lifetime updates and lifetime access and support. Okay,